So the cost is 20 cents per minute, and they want to know about hours of phone use. So if I multiply this by 60, that'll give me the rate per hour, and then I'll just put an H on at the end. So which equation represents this relationship? As the age increases by 3, we go down by 6. So negative 6 over 3 is negative 2. This is the only one that has a slope of negative 2. If I use the slope formula, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, I have negative 3 halves as my slope. Nope, negative 3 over negative 2. So it's not these. And since they tell me 0, 1 is a point, that tells me that my intercept is 1, because when x is 0, y is 1. Alan is trying to reduce his expenditure by $5. So I'm going to rule out these because we want our equation to equal 5. Then we're trying to figure out how many fewer average miles he should drive each week. And we can set up our equation like this. We know that it costs $4 per gallon, and that for every gallon we can drive 25 miles. So gallon crosses out. And we're going to multiply this by m, which is the number of miles. So miles cancels out as well. And we're left with just our unit of dollars. So if you multiply everything across the top and across the bottom, we have 4/25 m is equal to 5. Notice that x never changes. That's because this is a vertical line. So x is going to equal 2, which means that k is going to equal 2. As the length increases by 5, the cost increases by 405. So 405 divided by 5 is 81. The only one that has a slope of 81 is A. If f of 2 is equal to 10, that's saying x is equal to 2, y is equal to 10. And here we know that m is equal to 3, so I can figure out my intercept from here. 10 is equal to 3 times 2 plus b. So 10 is equal to 6 plus b, or 4 is equal to b. This is the answer. So line L has a slope of 3, line K is parallel, so it has the same slope, and it has this point. So we know the slope is 3, it's either C or D, and if we take 10 times 3 plus b, we can figure out that D is the right answer. So we're looking at paperback books, so this column, and the cost is going to go up 50 cents each year. So right now it's $10, that's the flat value, and it's going to increase by 0.5 for every t years. C is the answer. As x goes up by 4, over here we go up by 5. So our rise over run is 5/4. If we plug in one of these points, 12 is equal to 5/4 times 8 plus b, we can figure out that b is equal to 2. So if b is equal to 2 and a is equal to 5/4, let's add those together, and that's 8/4 plus 5/4, or 13/4. You could also write this as 3.25. We had an initial inventory of 29 cars, and during the first 6 months, 18 per week, so plus 18 per week. And we also sold 15 per week, so minus 15 per week. So is the net value going to be positive or negative? Well, it turns out positive. So we're increasing our inventory by 3 every week, and we started with 29.